Akala nyo si Isa Calzado, no? May similarity lang kami. Hi guys! Again, this is Lords of Lives, and you see that I have a makeup now. It was my first time doing a vlog, and I have a makeup. So for today's video is I'm going to do a trial makeup using the product that I haul in yesstyle. Disclaimer lang, I'm not pro applying makeup because I'm not doing makeup, but because of yesstyle, I'm trying my best to do a makeup for myself. Please support me, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next vlog. So first is I will apply the sunscreen with SPF. We need to put the sunscreen cream for our face also to protect on the sun, even not in the sun, but we need to put in our face. And next is I will use this BB cream of HOLIKA Lip Up BB cream, and I choose this glow. So we put only a small amount. Then, or I can use my hands. What I like on this BB cream, the glow, because it's look natural only on my face and makes my oily face glowy. And next is, see, I have this eye bags and some dark spots. I will use this Tip Concealer by Saem, this one, and this is the beige. It's a cover protection, have SPF 28. So this product is from the Saem. So this one, put it here in my nose. Press it here. Do the hard part of the makeup is the eyeliner. I'll be using the drawing eyebrows of Etude House, and this is the color brown number 7. So she have this here, and you have brush. So this is it. So I need to put a line first. I'm not perfect in doing the brows. So I know it's not perfect. To make it, I'll try to put this of our eyebrows. And next is eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I will use this first as this one. For the nose line, guys, I forgot. I need to put so next is the mascara. So I'm using the mascara from MIZON, this Collagen Curling Mascara. And next is the blush on the orange. Medyo light lang kasi baka para tayong silang. And of course, for my lips, I'll be using Lords of Cosmetics, my favorite, the Cherry Red. This one is very pigmented, so I need to put it on. This is it, my look. So we're doing a aura, so let's do it in 3, 2, 1. And now I'm wearing the lace bralette, the sponsored product from yesstyle, and this bralette is from camikiss. So it's a lace bralette. And this is the regular sizes that they have. And also I'm wearing the skirt from yesstyle also. And guys, this is it. So this is my makeup. Guys, hope you like this video and hope to see you on my next vlog. Again, thank you so much for watching, and again, this is Lars of Lives. Keep safe, everyone.